Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about 5 different plants that I grow on my Christmas tree farm along with the Christmas trees. These are just 5 basic shrubs. I grow more than just 5, but I want to talk about the 5 main ones. In this video, we're going to go over what they look like, what they're used for, how long it takes for them to grow, and what their price is, or something like that. I need to write this the fuck down. Hold on. Where the fuck's a pen? How am I at my desk and there's not a single... I got some condoms. Fuck. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so what did I say? I said, look, use, how long, and then I said, what? Price, I think. Okay, yeah, look, use, price, how long, whatever. So yeah, before the video starts, can you guys please make sure to smash the like button? It really helps out, I think. I don't really know. I feel like I get only 100 views and I waste 2 hours of my life. So the first tree we're going to be talking about is the green giant Arborvitae. Now this is the basic tree that you'll see everywhere on everyone's front lawn ever. It's very thready, it's pyramid shaped, and it's mainly used for privacy. I believe I sell it at like 5 to 6 feet for like $80 to $90, and that takes about 2 years to get there. So, right now on the farm, I think I have about 250 green giant Arborvitaes. If I had to guess, probably off my head, probably 250. And so that will turn a profit one day, and it'll be a pretty nice profit. Now, the second tree I want to talk about is called the emerald green Arborvitae. It's in the same class or species as the green giant, but it's a bit different. Now, the emerald green, you still see a lot, on people's front lawn, but they have to be careful because the deer eat the living crap out of it. Like, it's gone. If you have deer in your town, that's their favorite food. You have to put a fence around it. But they typically sell for a lot more money because, as you can see in these pictures, they look very soft. And I don't really have a lot, but I believe their price is like around $130 to like $150, depending on the size and everything like that. They're just made to look for like aesthetic reasons. They're like a basic tree that you would see on someone's front lawn. So the third tree that I grow is called a Leyland cypress. The Leyland cypress is another one that, is very thready, but you've probably seen 1,000 times in your life before. They kind of like, if you go to touch one, it might hurt your hand a little bit, but they also have a pretty good markup, but they're around $130 for a 5 to 6 foot tree, and they also grow like pretty fast. I believe that they're also kind of used for like privacy kind of stuff. Now, the fourth tree that I sell is not really a tree, it's actually a shrub. It's called a boxwood. Now, you've seen these literally at every single Bank of America you've ever looked at in your entire life. They're the little like square things. They look like a cardboard box. So the shape of a cardboard box. They're called boxwood. They got little tiny leaves on them. They're also like ridiculously marked up. Take longer to grow, but on a small boxwood, it's probably like 25 to 50 bucks. Depending actually on the pot size, the gallon size of the pots. Now I need to learn more about that before I even try to explain it to you. The price is more based on the pot size, like actually how big the root system is or whatever. I don't really know. In my area where I grew up, a boxwood, if you got like a 6 foot boxwood, it's like a $2,400 plant. It's the markup is insane, especially in my area, but like the markup for boxwoods when they're really big, depending on the actual kind of boxwoods, because there are hundreds of different kinds of trees everywhere. But the markup can be really, really massive. Now, probably my favorite tree on this list, and now this is my last tree, is called the Japanese maple. This one is just like, I don't even know. It's just like cool. It creates like a cool little canopy, get really, really big. Pruning is extremely important on this tree. I don't really know a lot about pruning. It's actually something that I'm gonna have to learn a lot about. But if you prune a Japanese maple like the clippers enough and like the right way, you're looking at like a $15,000 plant. Like it's insane. I took a brief course at a local community college, and the guy who was teaching it was a landscaper, and he told me that he had a house, some like rich guy wanted to transplant a Japanese maple from one of his houses to another one. And the budget was like $26,000. Now the tree was a tree, and like you needed probably like a big ass crane to get it out and everything like that, but 26 grand for a tree. And Japanese maples, they just look sick, especially with the lighting and everything like that. It has this whole entire zen and it just gets me going. It gets my juices flowing. That was weird. There it is. That's the 5 trees that I grow along with Christmas trees at my farm. Now, this is a terrible video because the lighting is horrible, and I promise you that my lighting will get better. I actually just bought a full like iPhone tripod with a ring light, so when I make more of these videos, I'll be able to have better lighting. Currently, I have this like weird light facing at me because it's 5 p.m. at night, and I'm making a video in front of my window, which, by the way, this is the window that I made the herb garden in front of, and the herbs are all fucking dead. I have no idea how to do any of that. So this will be interesting. This will be an interesting video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, though. Thank you guys for the support. Make sure to subscribe. I'm currently at 240 subscribers. I need 1,000. I'm actually only at 15 watch hours, which is like less than 1% of the amount of watch hours I need. So if this video could get like 1 million views, I'd be sick as shit. Just because, oh my God, I just want to make some money on this bitch. I like shouldn't be saying this. Like y'all are gonna think I'm like some fucking capitalist scum, which like I am. Money's great, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.